High interest rates are one of the biggest traps people fall into during credit repair. But even if your credit score isn't great yet, you still have options to cut interest and save money. Start by calling your lenders. Yes, actually call them. Ask for a hardship rate reduction or interest-only payment plan. You'd be surprised how often they say yes, especially if your payment history is solid and you're proactive. If that doesn't work, look into credit union refinancing. Credit unions are more flexible than big banks and may offer lower rates even to those with fair credit. It's not a guaranteed win, but worth applying. Another angle, balance transfer offers. Even if your score isn't perfect, some cards will offer low or zero interest for 12 to 18 months. Just be sure to pay it off before the promo ends and avoid new purchases on the card. Got student loans or high auto loan rates? Refinancing with a cosigner could cut your rate significantly. Make sure the lender reports to all three bureaus and always have a release plan in place for your cosigner. If you're rebuilding, secured loans can sometimes offer better rates than unsecured ones, especially if you use collateral like a CD or savings account. At creditfixguy.com, we help you fix your credit and protect your wallet. Credit repair isn't just about deletion, it's about domination. Let's go.